My son, what can I do for you?
I'm angry.
You are angry.
I'm suffered.
What is your problem?
I need money. I need to make money. Every moment I have the heart. I can kill anybody. I can do anything to make money as more.
Looking at your spirit, I know you can make money truly. You have the heart of lion. You will make money, but let me ask you one thing. What are you doing for a living?
I'm a hustler.
Osino be a hustler. He is a hustler. What are you hustling?
I do street. I know street. I'm a street boy. I do street.
Osino no street. He dey street. The God said I should tell you, there is nothing like a street. On when they a street, more than a way for now, you must have something doing. You get me now? Are you hearing me?
I'm hearing you.
There is nothing like street. What are you doing for a living?
Okay, every weekend I'm about bed. So I'm a better. I'm about bed. And some of my guys don't carry money through this bed. But I'm bored by it. If I play my bed, I don't chop. My guy chopped 3 million last week. But my own other buyer. So at least let the gods bless me through bed. I'm about bed.
The gods. The God said I should ask you again. Do you normally put arsenal in your bed?
I'm more the game. I'm more Arsenal.
Oh, Arsenal.
I'm a gunner for life. I used to play Arsenal now every weekend, straight to win. Oh, my club now, straight to win.
Hey, I won't show. Then, Arsenal needing Arsenal na match here. I bet you on now. What did you have to say? The God said I should tell you, you are a very stupid man. Huh? You are an idiot for putting Arsenal in your match. You are a very stupid man. Are you hearing me now?
I understand. Shout, I don't want that kind of money again. Leave bet. Just bring me again. Let me go and see money on the load and carry. I need money. Let me jam money. Leave bet. I need money.
Now you come. Because there is nothing like a street. There is nothing like a bet. So, like how much? The God say I should ask you again. Like how much did you want?
I want like $100 million.
$100 million?
Yes.
Where do you want the gods to get that kind of money? $100 million. And my messenger is here under the rain doing my work. Come on, will you get out? Greedy man. $100 million. Come on, get out. My messenger is here under the rain when I can give him 2 places in Ikoyi.